Hey guys, so welcome to my video, and we will do an unboxing of the Fender Meteora. As you can see, here's the box, still unopened. I received it this afternoon, but I had something else to do. Now I got time to open it, and let's see what will be inside. So I see number 16 on the box, whatever that means. I don't know if that is a thing from Fender or maybe from Thomann in Germany. We will see. So let's bring it up. Still sealed. I wonder what's inside the box. So, I mean, I know what's in the box, but I wonder which case is in the box. There was one guy on YouTube who bought also the Meteora and was very happy that he had I don't know, a G&G case or whatever it was. And to be honest, I wouldn't like that. I would like to see the typical Fender hardshell case, the plastic case. Because I like them. They're lightweight, they're sturdy, durable. So let's see. Cut off the seal. I think it's better to pack this one aside. So, some styrofoam. See, it's not the plastic case, but I kind of expected that. So, let's bring it out. Step the box aside. So here we have it. So then let's see what's in there. And ooh, man, that looks good. Ah, that looks great. Oh, this is top. I like it at first glance. So, I will get out another camera. I do the filming with all here of my GoPros. So, I can give you a bit of a closer look. I'll fiddle around with that later. So, but I think I probably should turn it around. So that should be a lot better. Oh man, that looks good. I actually like the block inlays. A lot of people had their problems with it, or with them, but I actually like them. And beautiful guitar. If it plays that good, the same way it looks, I will keep that guitar. So you see what's happening here. Freaking camera angle switches. And sorry for the booms outside. My neighbor has birthday or whatever, and he's doing a party tonight with fireworks, as it seems. Fits the situation. New guitar, firework, perfect. So let's see, take it out of the box to get an even closer look. Oh man, it looks lovely. Ah, these block inlays are great. Man, a cool guitar. This is a cool guitar. Neck feels good. Nice wood. And it's fairly light. Not as light as I would have expected. You hear my neighbor with his fireworks. But it's relatively light. So, but wait, where's the ashtray? Oh. Let's see if it's in here. Oh, here we have a little Fender back. Just give me a second. So, what do we have here? Here's the ashtray, or the half of an ashtray or a tenth of an ashtray. Bit of paperwork. Fender certificate of authenticity. Great. What's that? Oh, the keys for the case. And 2 dryers. So, away with that. So, yeah guys, that was it for the first look. I just wanted to make a quick video to see what is coming out of the box. And of course I will do another video with some sound samples, but that takes me time. I'm not not as firm in video making, so it will take a time. And yeah, lovely guitar so far. And yeah, I hope you can get a little bit out of the video. And maybe you take a look for the other one with the sound samples in a few days. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and yeah, have a nice day.